All right, welcome back everyone to Lunch at the Markets. We're extremely excited for everything green and yellow today. We're sporting our Ducks gear for tonight's national championship against the Auburn War Eagles / Tigers. If anyone knows why they have two mascots, definitely let me know. We're also excited to see the Packers advance, albeit against Michael Vick, which was kind of sad. But nonetheless, they pulled in a good-looking victory last night, Aaron Rodgers' first playoff victory. And now that we've talked enough football, let's get to the markets. U.S. Steel, NUE, Worthington, right? Last week we told you we took off our WOR, our Worthington position, and our US Steel position. This morning, with steel down again, we went ahead and got long the January 2012 45-55 call spread. So, right, we're long the 45, we're short the 55 against it. It's completely in the money call spread all the way out to January of 2012. Okay, we paid right around $5 for that. So, of course, we're going to risk $5 to make $5. So the upside potential is 100%. Rather than just outright being long U.S. Steel, support for U.S. Steel is around the $38 level, which is about $17 from here. Whereas a NUE, on the other hand, also has support around $38, but that's about $5 from here. So we're going to remain long our NUE as our way to play steel and improving end market demand. NUE pays a close to 4% dividend. They are extremely well run. Dan D'Amico is very well regarded in the industry. They have a no-fire policy, so they're a close-knit community over at U.S. Steel. They're one of the lowest cost producers of steel that you can find. Okay, so we'll play U.S. Steel through the options market, January 2012, in the money 45-55 call spread, and we're going to play U.S. Steel by being long the stock, collecting the dividend, and then selling put spreads on the bottom. So along the stock, we'll sell some put spreads on the bottom, and then we're going to sell calls against it at that 45 strike over and over again until eventually we get called away. Okay, so those are the way that we want to play steel. Next, Deckers and Lululemon are both up over $1 today. Prudence said that we had to roll out of those short 80-75 January put spreads in Deckers, DECK. We rolled them down and out, right? So we were short the 80-75 put spreads in Deckers. We rolled them down and out to the February 75-70 put spreads in Deckers. But Lululemon is working out even better. There we are short the 65-60 put spread, right? We're short the 65 strike. We're long the 60 strike as a hedge against it. With the stock trading above $68, back on its way to $70, and only 12 days left until options expiration, we look to be in fantastic shape to cash in our full gain on the Lululemon 65-60 put spreads in January. We are also long some 60-65 call spreads in Lululemon. There we're long the 60, short the 65 against it. Okay, and as long as the stock finishes above $65, both our long call spreads and our short put spreads will both finish profitable, right? The put spreads will be out of the money, the call spreads will be in the money. It'll work out beautiful. Now, Molycorp, symbol MCP. This is one wild ride. With stock trading just 5 cents away from $55, okay, which is the top end of our long 50-55 call spread, right? We're long completely in the money 50-55 call spread. We paid less than $3 for it, about $2.84 when you count our two purchases together. As long as the stock finishes above $52.84, we're actually break even. So with only 12 days left, again, we look to be in good shape. You can actually put the trade on right now for about $2.90. So if you roll that way and you don't mind, only having that much time to be right, then by all means, you can still get into our MCP long call spread trade. Okay. Every time the Dow approaches a triple-digit loss, it usually turns around violently. Once it gets around the down 90 or so, it seems to turn around. Let's take a quick check on the markets right now. The Dow is down only 45, the S&P only down 3.5, and of course the Nasdaq is positive. So be sure to act quickly. You're going to have a little bit of courage, like Big Jim said. Anytime the Dow approaches, gets a better than 90-point loss on the day. So far, so good. We do think that the market continues to trade down until at least at the soonest Friday, which is when we get JP Morgan Chase reporting earnings before the bell, And then, of course, next Monday, we laid out the case for you there. If you missed that episode, go back and check out last Friday's earnings preview. I think it was last Friday or last Thursday. We had a preview of what companies we're going to see report next Monday. We're going to know a whole lot more about the health of the economy starting next Monday. Thanks again for tuning in today at Lunch of the Markets. Good luck to the Ducks tonight. And we're actually kind of Cam Newton fans, so it wouldn't terribly break our heart if Cam Newton pulls away, finds a way to beat the Ducks defense. But I think it's probably going to be close to a 100-point game. It's going to be fabulous either way. So grab your green and your yellow or whatever other version of it you have, because I'm sure the Ducks will come out in a nice uniform tonight. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you tomorrow. Go Ducks.